We just had a successful seminar at Hosur, our Boosting Machining Productivity series presented by UCAM. We talked about the latest trends in fourth and fifth axis rotary indexing solutions, about our gear lineup as well.
We are one of the leading manufacturer of rotary solution in India. We give the solutions for machine tool manufacturers, also for end customer. As a part of our campaign of seminar, we are here in Hosur industrial area, which is a very important industrial location, because you can see the many cross-section of industries are available here and they are using our solution.
It's around 8 years now. Our first seminar in Hosur was a successful seminar where we had a variety of customers with different industrial backgrounds, where they have given their utmost time and made this a seminar a memorable one.
We are using from 2007 the UCAMs, and there is no any major maintenance on the UCAM products, and we are using from 2007 to till now the same product is running almost. Now we are having 5 machines, and 5 machines also we are using the UCAM product only.
Okay.
It's very nice.
So we have 10 plus rotary table with UCAM completely. So we are associating with more than 15 years in the UCAM. So we are really very happy to work with them. So we are UCAM is completely meeting all our requirements and our customer expectations.
These UCAM products normally we use, and first time we came to know some other products, some turnkey products, unique the solutions what you are given for the other customers. It's good to know that UCAM having that such
Thank you so
in a
much for your
fantastic
insights.
products as an Indian company.